of refacing your kitchen cabinets can be enhanced by replacing your toe kicks. Nieu Cabinet Doors can supply toe kicks that are painted to match the doors that you order. Our toe kick material is 5/8 of an inch thick and is perfect to use for under cabinet light valance as well as toe kicks. Our toe kick trim can be ordered in a standard height of 5 inches and a length of 95 inches, which you can then cut to size. You also have the option of ordering custom-sized pieces by selecting Custom Filler on our online order form and inputting the length and height of the piece you require. Measure your toe kicks by starting at the floor and measuring the distance to the bottom of the cabinet. Measure in a few different spots, as your floor may not be level. Use the smallest measurement for the height of your toe kick. Measure the length of the piece required and repeat the process as you move around the kitchen. The easiest and most secure way to install your toe kicks is in front of your existing toe kick trim, as this will provide a good base to attach the new toe kicks. Construction adhesive or two-sided foam tape is another method for installing toe kicks and is easy to do. Apply the adhesive or tape to the back of the toe kick and press the toe kick into place. Then hold it for a few seconds while the adhesive sets. Replacing your toe kick as part of your kitchen cabinet refacing project will improve the look of your kitchen, and installing it is a simple project any homeowner can take on. To keep up to date on how-to kitchen cabinet refacing content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.